In today's video, I will teach you how to make overlay images and graphics in PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in PicMonkey. To make an overlay image, you can either use an image from PicMonkey's stock library containing thousands of free and premium stock images, or you can simply upload your own image. To do this, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can choose a stock image to use as an overlay. And you can click on the Add Photo or Video button to upload an image from your computer. Once you've uploaded your image to PicMonkey, you can find the image under the Uploaded tab. And you can add it by either clicking on it or dragging it onto the canvas. Now, you can move it around, resize, rotate, or crop it. To move the image around, simply drag the image around the canvas. To resize it, you can simply drag on the handles. To rotate the image, simply click and drag on the top handle, and you can now hold down Shift while dragging on the handle to rotate the image in exact angles. And to crop it, you can right-click on the image and select Crop Image. Now, just click and drag on the horizontal and vertical handles to freely crop the image. Once you're done cropping, you can simply click outside the canvas. You also have the option to change the opacity as well as the blending mode of your overlay image. To do this, make sure that the overlay image is selected first by clicking on the Overlay Image layer at the Layers tab. Then at the sidebar, open the Fade and Blend tab. Here, you can adjust the opacity of the overlay image by adjusting the fade amount on the slider. To change the blending mode of the overlay image, simply open the Blend Mode drop-down menu and choose your preferred blending mode. To make a graphics overlay, simply go to the sidebar and open the Graphics tab. Here, you have a wide variety of graphics elements to choose from. You can also draw and erase parts of your graphics. To do this, make sure to select your graphic layer first, then go to the sidebar and open the Erase tab. Here, you have the option to either use the eraser tool or paint on your graphics layer using the paintbrush tool. Now, just play around with your image. And once you're done, you can either save it directly to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.